Legends of Learning presents the My Little Ecosystem Compete and Coexist game. This is a science game that makes learning about competitive, predatory, and mutually beneficial interactions fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, play this top-down, real-time ecosystem simulator that explores how organisms compete for limited resources in a dynamic environment. Players step into a vibrant pixel art meadow where every species interacts, competes, and depends on others to survive. Move the character with the arrow keys or WASD keys. Select a plant or animal from the bottom toolbar by clicking a button, pressing the matching number key, or scrolling the mouse wheel. Press Enter to place it in the ecosystem. Help each species reach its milestones at least once while managing competition and preventing any one population from taking over the meadow. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of science to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.